Hotel Polo Tower Agartala has kicked off the winter festive season with a unique initiative, preparing a special Christmas cake designed to be preserved for 1 month before being sold to the public on Christmas Eve. This traditional holiday preparation marks the hotel's way of welcoming the upcoming festivities. The distinctiveness of this cake lies in its rich, traditional preparation method. The cake is heavily laden with a festive mix of dry fruits, grapes and wine. Crucially, the cake will be preserved for a full month, allowing the flavors of the fruits and wine to mature and deepen, resulting in the rich, complex taste characteristics of classic Christmas fruit cakes. The cake will be available for purchase on Christmas Eve. This method of preparation follows the global tradition of cake mixing, where the fruit and spice mixture is soaked in alcohol for several weeks or months, maximizing its flavor and texture just in time for Christmas.
It's like every year we do it. So thank you again that you all have come here. This tradition is following since ages, and this is a kind of event where we welcome the festive season, winter festival carnival basically, if I can say, which starts with the Christmas cake mixing, where we do this all high-end dry fruits and then herbs, spices, wines together to mix it up. Then we will preserve it, and then we will further after a month before the Christmas we open it, and then we may bake it, and then it will be even ready for all of you. You can come, you can buy it. Then I will like all of you to have a cake from here. Plus, this is a festival which we always celebrate. This is a kind of festival which is a family festival which brings everyone together to come and enjoy the happiness, enjoy the moment, make the memory. With this also, we mark the festivals for the upcoming month, which is December. In December, we'll have a back-to-back events, which is even Christmas Eve gala dinner, which is wine and dine. Then we'll have a DJ night, gala DJ night on Christmas evening. Then even we will be having a 31st night, gala dinner with DJ. That will be year ending. So there are multiple events which will be coming up with this. So I just want.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khora.